the Assistant Minister for Rural and Maritime Development and National Disaster Management, Honorable Charlie Singararan. Honorable Minister this morning to be part of this function, and we all know that Senganga District Advisory Councillors have...
But to come from you as farmers, as people living with the community, and that is very impressive, and it's welcome by government through this time of crisis. I would like to thank DO for his hard work. He has connected well with the business people and the community, and it is the way we should go, especially civil servants. We should work closely with our community, because that is why we are here. We are being paid by government and organization to help the community. And without the community, we won't be here. I tell farmers, when we are eating every day during the meals, we don't think about what we are eating, where it comes from. It comes from the farmers. And that is where we should focus our commitment to the farmers every day. Serve the farmers well, because they are the ones who are serving us. But for you, serving our community is a blessing. Not only to our community, to our government, it is from our God Himself. He has blessed His Son to come to the world to give His life for us. Thank you, Dio, for your working closely with our community, with the business arm of the community. I think Senganga has been in the news lately during this week. There are many good things coming from Senganga, and the government is happy for what. So on behalf of the government, on behalf of the Prime Minister, I would like to thank you for giving what little you have during this crisis. All right, good. Happy? Okay. You have carried today.
Yung person na distribute nga, naman matungabol ito nung balik sige. Kami sa nangon. Di ba nga yan, kahit may rolo naman ito di kapit. Yun, random ka tayo? Right, dapat tayo naman bagas. Yes, sige. Yung mayroon na computer. Yes, sir. Masabi ko lang nga dito na please na lang yun. Sa bagas. Bagas. Okay. 7. Sure, okay.
Okay, come. Yeah. Tayo. Right. You happy or? How's the lockdown?
Last checkpoint.
Okay. Bye. Okay.
Okay, we are so happy that the government has helped us. We are in the lockdown, but still we have something from the government. At least we have our food. So thanks very much for the help.
Wei gumo kali wei gumo. Wei salah lah itu gua. Jauh cepat. Kali jauh. Cepat.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman. So this is the assistance that Red Cross is giving out to the affected family. So these are the non-food items. Yes, Red Cross. And yesterday we have also supplied them.
Can someone take the number down below, sir? Phone number? Call. We have here. The black bags, it consists of 6 clothes for 6 people. That goes right to the door. And this is your tools to start off with. This is your kitchen set. These are your tarpaulins plus your blankets, jerry cans with your mosquito net.
I'm very proud that the assistance given by the Red Cross. I'm very happy. Assistance that I'm facing problem. I have nothing left in my family. All my things is bent down. So I'm very happy. I'm very proud. People just close and any kind of society is giving the help to me.